For Chandigarh, the city where thousands of entrepreneurship dreams incubate every passing day, this is even more true. So, you have a unique and workable startup concept, right? What you need now is a conducive space to hatch that idea. But you don't have enough funds to set up a fully functional office. That's why we have come up with ECOS. The idea is to promote and strengthen the startup culture in Chandigarh. If our youth get the right kind of infrastructure to hatch their concepts, they will start actively considering entrepreneurship as their career option. That's good for the entire region, not just Chandigarh. EDC co-working space conveniently located in Chandigarh Technology Park at the heart of the city's IT hub. The plush facility has been set up on the third floor of the EDC building. At SPEC, we understand your passion. If you have a workable idea, we are ready to give wings to it.
The co-working space we are standing in is a labor of love. As per the guidance and as per the instructions of the Chandigarh administration, we have tried to make this space into a one which has a long-term aesthetic value to it, and also the functionality factor is taken care of so that we can look at serving the young entrepreneurs for a long time and we can be with them throughout their period of growth.
The facility has over 68 seats. It has been created to provide technology-based startups with an array of modern value-added services.
I guess this is a very beautiful vision when it comes to working in this closed community of smart people, innovators, who can really make huge difference in the community that they live in. When I go outside, when we have been to many places, it's international standards. Anyone coming in over here would walk in with a smile on their face.
All ECOS facilities can be booked online and paid online through a dedicated portal. Potential entrepreneurs can book the seats for a minimum of 15 days and maximum up to 24 months according to categories of spaces.
EDC working space is one of the best workspace I've seen in Tri-City. I mean, the ambience and the environment is very attractive, and it makes me want to come to work every day. Moreover, I feel very secure working over here, and the environment is very nice. People working here are very cooperative.
Our journey has begun. But yes, we know we are on the right track. This is where the future of entrepreneurship lies.